What's up, family, to another episode of Green Thumb Family. And I'm so excited about this episode because I'm about to start this garden in the backyard, and it's the beginning, kind of middle of December, and I really can't plant in the backyard until January, but I become very antsy and anxious about getting in the backyard. So I picked up some plants today from the local Home Depot just to go ahead and get started. I have lavender, I have basil, and I have marigolds. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up if you've ever planted any of these plants, okay? Hit that thumbs up, go ahead and do it. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. So yeah, here goes the marigolds. I got like 4 of them. I just want to give it a go. I've never planted these before, so I'm giving it a go. I love the nice orange color. I'll probably get some yellow ones too, but orange is all they had today. And then I have the lavender. As you can see, it's starting to bud a little bit, but I have 2 of these, 1 of the sweet basils, which I'm so excited about putting in the backyard. Boom, boom, boom. Right, and then I also have some coffee grounds and some bananas, just to kind of give nitrogen to the soil and all that good stuff while it's down there. Speaking of soil, let me show you. All right, this is what I picked up from Home Depot. Boom, cow manure and compost. I got a nice little mix right here. We'll give it a go. It was less than $2, so hey, I thought it to be a deal. Why not give it a try? Then I also have, kind of heavy, very heavy. This, boom, garden soil organic. Figured I'd give it a try for flowers, vegetables. I'm doing herbs, but whatever. I think it'll help. And that was like $7 from Home Depot. So $7 plus the manure and compost for $2. That was what, $9? Less than $10 for the soil. Wasn't a bad deal. And my compost hasn't composted yet, so I couldn't use that. But hey, $2 for compost, why not? But yeah, enough of the small talk. Let's get to the backyard. All right, so now that I have the soil back here, now I can go ahead and lay down my cardboard. I'm doing cardboard because, hey, I have it. This is my first bed, so I'm really just giving it a try, seeing how everything works out, so I know how to do my real vegetable beds. And so yeah, I'm gonna just lay it down so the weeds don't come up. Put in my dirt, put in my manure. Well, I'll put my manure down and compost first, and then I'll put the dirt in, mix it in with the coffee grinds, and start planting the plants. Yeah, let's do it. Looks like 1 bag wasn't enough, so I'm gonna get another bag of manure that I have already in the garage. Yep. Now that I have both of them in there, now I'm gonna just start to turn it over. Have some fun with it. I feel like I want to put at least 1 more bag of dirt in here because as you can see, it's not coming up to the top. And yeah, I just wanted to come up a little bit higher. So I'm gonna grab that. This time I will definitely use the wheelbarrow because that bag of dirt is quite heavy. And I haven't been to the gym, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that and I'll be right back. All right, so here goes the fun part where I get to plant the plants. I don't know how I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna just go for it. I'm so excited. All right, great people. As you can see, task complete. I have my marigolds, 3 of those over here, 2 lavender plants, a basil plant, and another marigold plant. I'll probably do some other plants along this area as well, just like a test run for my future vegetable beds. And so I want to do something that's a little helpful. What I realized is that with about 6 to 7 inches of height, because I use my pallet boards, but with 6 to 7 inches of height, I use 2 bags of soil and 2 bags of manure. That total cost is about 2, 4, 7, 14, $18. So $18 worth of soil and compost / manure that I used to go into the flower bed. The flower beds themselves were free because I used it out of pallet boards. So, you know, I just want to give you that little information. If you're thinking about doing a raised garden bed, this bed is 4 feet by 4 feet. So 4 feet by 4 feet, about 7 inches tall. Again, I use 4 bags total, 2 of soil, 2 of compost and manure, totaling $18 from Home Depot. But yeah, that's all it took. It's pretty simple. It was pretty easy. I'm excited to see how the lavender grows, how the marigolds grow, how the basil grow. I've never grown them before. But I mean, it looks like it'll be fun. They smell amazing. The lavender smells great. The basil smells magnificent. So I hope, I hope it rains today so I can get a little natural water. If not, I'll just water them later this evening. And so, yeah, I hope this was informational. I hope you learned something. I hope you had fun. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Comment below if you have any tricks, tips, or secrets on how I could have done this better, or, of you doing it because of what you saw. And if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe. Ooh, wow. Go ahead and subscribe. Knees, I felt that. If you haven't already done so, to the Green Thumb family, because we have so much that we get to do out here in our yards as far as plants and gardening and all that good stuff. So join me and let's have fun together. All right, peace.